Are you looking for the best scroll saw in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best scroll saw that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the DEWALT 20-inch variable speed scroll saw. Feisty in performance as it is in color, the striking yellow design of the DEWALT 20-inch variable speed scroll saw has been engineered to help users create accurate and detailed workpieces with ease. With a double parallel link arm, a large cast iron table for material support, and fine-tuned electronic variable speed control, you'll be able to cut with the utmost precision. Pumped and ready to work with a variety of specialty materials, the DEWALT model is a perfect choice for both home and light commercial use, offering an excellent balance between price, performance, and versatility. This power tool is a popular choice among many professional craftsmen. It also supersedes many other similar models by providing a 20-inch throat of depth, instead of the more common 16-18 inches. Another standout feature is the tool-free blade clamps that make the blade changing process quick and easy, giving you more time to focus on the work at hand. Last, but certainly not least, this design gets our nod of approval for its cast iron stability and user-friendly functionality. Make sure you also check our guide to the best miter saws. Up next in the 4th place is the Dremel S2001 variable speed scroll saw. Probably the best investment for those who are new to scroll saws or power tools in general. The Moto saw is extremely well priced and sits as the most affordable option on our list. Of course, this means that it forfeits some of the premium features of the more professional models, but it still manages to get the job done with precision and ease. Capable of cutting smoothly through wood, laminates, PVC, and metals, the variable speed control ensures optimal cutting each time. The Dremel MS2001 has been designed to securely clamp onto a variety of different surfaces to offer a sturdy workspace. If you need more flexibility, however, you also have the option to remove it from its base so that it can perform like a portable motorized coping saw. Its lightweight makes it easy to hold and maneuver. Easy to store, set up, and operate, the Moto saw is perfect for amateur scrollers, or for those who won't need to make use of its functionality too often. We do not recommend this model for commercial use, although it might be just what you need to get your small business up and running before moving on to a more durable option. Don't forget to also check our guide to the best bow saws. The 3rd product on our list is the Porter Cable 18. Manufacturing quality tools since 1906, Porter Cable has always managed to deliver superior quality equipment that won't cost you an arm and a leg. The brand's 18-inch variable speed scroll saw fits the bill for being another one of their power tools that performs effectively and very often even surpasses expectations. Complete with a sturdy steel stand, a large cutting table, and cam locking blade tension for faster blade changes, we are certain that this unit would be welcomed in any workshop. As industrious as this scroll saw looks, however, the motor lacks power in comparison with similar models and might not be the best choice if you plan on using it for commercial purposes. On the other hand, it's perfectly capable of cutting accurately through a variety of materials, and we were very impressed with its ease of use. The stable die-cast aluminum table, for instance, has been designed to tilt at a variety of angles to accommodate intricate cuts, while drastically reducing vibrations. For the amateur woodworker or professional hobbyist, this saw is a great choice. You may also like to check our guide to the best tile saws. Second on our list is the Excalibur X21K21. With a powerful name like Excalibur, one should expect no less than an outstanding performance from this product. Sitting on our list as the most premium model that, of course, also comes with a premium price tag. This tilting head scroll is the unit that all passionate scroll masters have their eye on. With an electronic speed controller, The X21K scroll saw has the ability to produce 400 to 1550 strokes per minute, allowing it to perform safe and accurate cuts in wood, plastic, or metal. Featuring an original design, unlike other similar models where the table tilts, the whole head of the Excalibur scroll saw tilts 45 degrees to the right or 38 degrees left. This gives you more flexibility, while the table provides a secure and stable platform. As an extremely user-friendly device that's durable in structure as well as performance, we recommend this unit to scroll saw connoisseurs or the industrious types who need cutting functionality that never disappoints. Our handy guide to the best band saws features more great products like this. Finally, the top product on our list is the Rockwell ShopSeries 16-inch 1.2 amp scroll saw. This budget-friendly Rockwell ShopSeries scroll saw offers most things a beginner would need to create intricate projects. The saw features a 16-inch throat depth and offers variable cutting speed from 500 to 700 SPM, so that users can cut various materials. What especially caught our attention about this one was its attractive price point. It also comes with a table that tilts 45 degrees to the left, though it doesn't bevel to the right. In testing, we noticed slightly more vibration than with some of the higher-end models, but that can be reduced by carefully adjusting the cutting speed to suit the type and thickness of the wood, as well as by bolting the saw down to a workbench. We were able to accurately make straight and curved cuts. The ShopSeries is lighter than some competitive models, 37.5 pounds, so it can be moved to various locations in a woodshop without too much trouble. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.